Ihhovisi lejaji eliphezulu kuphiko oluphenya amacala enkohlakalo kuleli i-Investigating Directorate Against Corruption seliqinisekisile ukuthola izikhalazo ngenhloko yalolu phiko u-Advocate Andre Johnson. Lesi siqiniseko silandela ke izinsolo ezivezwe phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga eziyamanisa uJohnson nezenzo zokungayiphathi kahle okufaka phakathi ke nokusingatha ngendlela engafanele amacala athinta izikhulu zophiko lwezobunhloli nokuyizinsolo ngoJohnson aziphikayo. Leli hhovisi lithi ke lezikhalazo zisahlolisiswa ngokulandela inqubo yezomthetho laphinde ke lagcizelela ukuthi izikhalazo azisho ukuthi umuntu usesephutheni. Lithi akusekho okunye ukuphawula elizokwenza ngemuva kwalokhu njengoba udaba lusaphenywa nje nelukwenza ngenhloso yokuhlonipha inqubo yophenyo kanye ke namalungelo azo zonke inhlangothi ezithintekayo.
The Office of the IDEC Oversight Judge can confirm that it has received complaints relating to the head of the Investigating Directorate Against Corruption, Advocate Andre Johnson. While the office would not ordinarily comment on complaints that are under consideration, we have decided to confirm receipt of these particular complaints because of the significant public interest and the volume of media inquiries received. The complaints are currently being processed through the office's established procedures and will be assessed independently, objectively, and in accordance with our statutory mandate and the applicable legal framework. It is important to emphasize that the receipt of a complaint does not amount to a finding of wrongdoing. No conclusions should be drawn while the office is considering the matter. Every complaint is dealt with fairly and in accordance with the principles of procedural fairness. The office also reaffirms its commitment to protecting whistleblowers and complainants who make disclosures in good faith. We remain committed to safeguarding the integrity of our processes while respecting the rights of all parties involved. For these reasons, the office will not be commenting any further on the substance of the complaints or any processes that may follow while the matter remains under consideration.